Today I want to do a walk around video of my latest restoration. It's a 1976 wheel horse C120. The tractor was completely tore apart, clear down to the bare frame. Cleaned, sanded, primered. Each piece was painted and reassembled with all new bolts. The engine was completely rebuilt. It's bored 30 over. New piston and rod. The crank was turned 10. New headlight lens was put on. Wheels, tires, everything was completely redone. I made custom shifter knobs, like 8 balls. The dash panel was completely repainted. Everything was completely redone on the tractor. The color that I used on it is International Harvester Rust-Oleum, and it was painted with spray cans. If you like seeing videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.